myself as a singer. That's it. So if you are a writer, if you are an athlete, if you are something else, if you are an entrepreneur, even if it's not real in your life right now, or even if it's not bringing you any money yet, just keep going because your soul actually needs it. If you are if you are led to do something, it's for a reason, because it doesn't appear like all of a sudden, oh, I want to write, I want to dance. No, it came out of somewhere, and you need to trust that somewhere. I don't know what it is. I would call this my intuition. I would call this it's coming from the universe. But yeah, I just respect it. I just honor it. I just put it in my calendar, and I just do it as often as possible. And I feel fulfilled because I'm doing that.